Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Gaming 16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your laptop gets so hot it burns to touch, you're likely facing an overheating issue. This can happen due to dust accumulation in the fans and vents, which blocks airflow and prevents effective cooling. If left unaddressed, the overheating can lead to permanent damage to your components, resulting in costly repairs or even total failure. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by placing it on a clean, flat surface. Carefully unscrew the back panel with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, locate the cooling fan and heat sink. These are typically situated near the CPU. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Gently disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard, being cautious not to damage any nearby components. Now, use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and heat sink. Ensure you hold the fan in place while doing this to avoid damaging it. After clearing the dust, you may want to replace the thermal paste on the CPU. Carefully remove the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste in the center of the CPU and reattach the heat sink. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard and ensure all connections are secure. Now, carefully replace the back panel and screw it back into place, making sure each screw is tightened but not overly so to avoid damaging the threads. Finally, power on your laptop and monitor its temperature to ensure it's running smoothly. If you notice any persistent issues, please consult a professional. To prevent your laptop from overheating in the future, make it a habit to clean the vents and fans regularly. Keeping your workspace dust-free can also help maintain optimal airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.